It's hot. Everything is hot. The summer is hot. South Carolina ghost peppers are OMG hot. And inflation, red hot. Red hot. And the supply chain broken, melted. Can we blame climate change, or do you have to have a big D behind your name to get away with that? Whew, all this heat is just... Focus on teleprompter. Oh, right. You've got inventory shortages. You've got people out of work. Manufacturing lines are crippled or down entirely. The works. So look, in all seriousness, we get it, because we hear it all the time from our customers. Only about the other guys, of course. When you can't get the goods you need, and you need high quality, hard to find metric fasteners, that's not a little problem. That's a big problem. That's an, oh my gosh, cars won't be built. Ships will sink, and solar panels will have to be back ordered in California. That's the type of problem that is. If you rely on custom metric fasteners for your large scale applications, you need them now, not later. Slow shipping, lack of goods, that's not even an option. The summer heat is no excuse. You need your goods, and you need them now. We've got you covered. You don't stop for the heat, and neither should your business. We've got monthly sea freight shipments to get you everything that you need from Europe. Need it faster? We've also got weekly air freight shipments that can get your products to you in as little as 2 to 3 weeks. Not fast enough? How about a delivery in as little as 3 to 5 business days on our express shipments out of Europe? Not sure if we can get you what you need as fast as you need it? Look, do yourself a favor. Call or email us. That's it. All you have to do is reach out. We'll take a couple of minutes and walk you through the process. We pride ourselves on hassle-free customer service and accurate information. It's sort of our thing, you know? You need a business that doesn't melt in the sun or catch on fire from the Fed's flames of inflation or stagflation or shrinkflation or whatever it's being called this week. Our business is here to help keep your business moving. I told you that I was filming. What do you mean? I don't understand. The air conditioning is not working in the office, but it's like 110 degrees outside. Take care of this immediately. Guess that's what I have to do. You guys have a wonderful August. Stay safe. Try to stay cool. And until the next time, peddling out.